You want to go for a ride? What do you want to ride on? Oh! What is that? A ride? What do you see? Don't pull the bike over. Can I see your helmet? Do you have a hat on? Where's your hat, Hallie? What is that? Hat. Are you going to go for a ride? Okay, let's go.